Hi guys, so today we're going to be working with this new mold that I just got from Temu. It's a bear, so I pre-mixed 240 grams of resin offline just to save some time. I'm going to give it one more quick stir. I'm going to let it sit here for a little bit just to kind of degas and let the bubbles rise to the surface. I've been using this resin that I got from Amazon. It's a epoxy resin. It's super glossy. I'll put a link to it in the description. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use some alcohol inks from Let's Resin. I'm going to go with the purple. Put a couple drops in there. Give it a nice stir. She scraped the sides real good. I like to take the stick and kind of swirl it up and down just to make sure I get the bottom of the cup too. Just keep stirring until it's all mixed up and until you get the color that you're looking for. I think I might put a couple more drops in, just I really like this color. The bubbles in this resin rises really fast. They don't sit, so it's pretty nice. Just give it a couple scrapes on the sides here. Alright, so we got that to where I want it. Just clean off our stick here. Put that off to the side. So let's grab our mold. It's got a couple places in the bottom that you're going to want to pour slowly just to make sure you don't get any air in there. And I guess the good thing about using a color is I'll be able to see if there's any air pockets left. Do his feet. This is the first time I've used this mold. I just got it in the mail today, so I've seen other people use it and I like the way it looks. So we're going with a crystal-y look with the resin. Fill it all the way up. Alright. So I went with 240 grams there. And that seemed to fill it pretty decently. And what I'll do is I'll just take a little bit here and put them in a extra mold that I always have sitting off to the side. Just make some hearts. If you go on my website, you'll see a thing called Little Hugs. It's basically you can give someone a heart telling them that you're thinking about them, and they come in all different colors. So if you're interested in something like that, please go to my website, theresinnerd.com, and check it out. So what we'll do now is we'll let this sit. I'm not going to use any flames on it because I use alcohol inks, and if I use a flame, it's just going to burn. So I'll just let the bubbles rise on their own, and let it degas. And then I'll be back in 24 hours to demold. See you then. Alright guys, so it's been 24 hours now. This guy is nice and hard, so we're going to demold him. From the bottom, it looks pretty clear. I don't see any bubbles, so let's take them out of the mold. Just got this mold, like I said yesterday, so this is the first time I've demolded this guy. I have no idea what he's going to look like. A little bit of a pain to get out. Got a lot of sharp edges. Alright, so we'll pop that back. that's the final project. It turned out pretty decent. I don't see any bubbles in them at all. I don't see any imperfections. So that's the newest piece in the collection. Let me zoom in here for you so you can get a better view of them. But yep, so crystal clear. Really like the way he turned out. I'll definitely do this again. Different colors. But so this is the final result. So if you got if you've gotten any value from this video, please don't forget to subscribe so you never miss one of my new resin videos. And I'll be putting this guy up on the website. Called thresinNerd.com. So you can go there and check out other pieces that I've made. So I will see you for the next one. And I'll leave you with the final view of this guy. Until then, see ya.